this particular range or not. Okay, that's what the program. So what we are doing here, we are getting the x and y coordinators. So all other things are going to be same as your usual program. Okay, scanner, public void, main, scanner class. Okay, and here we are going to create x and y coordinator because in the question it is specified as x and y only. Okay, it is specified as x, y coordinator. So it's better to use the same thing. So I'm getting x and y value. So both are integers because they are going to represent the point. So point is represented only in terms of integer. So I'm using the integer, I'm getting the value, I'm using a temporary value. And what we are doing here, we need to check. Just now I told you, no, it may, while reading it, maybe you may think, oh, something regarding to the triangle, right angle triangle. So you may think that it is very difficult, but actually it is very simple. We are just going to see whether it is inside these two ranges or not. That's all. Okay, so that's what we are doing here. By using if statement, we are checking whether x is in between 0 to 200 and y is in between 0 to 100. Okay, so if it satisfies, then that means the point is inside the triangle. Okay, again, what the output is given the same way, the point is in the triangle. Okay, the same way you have to do. So you'll be getting the other test case also for not inside the triangle. Okay, so accordingly you have to write the point is not in the triangle. So what it is given in the test case, accordingly you have to write. Okay, so you can run the program by selecting any one of the test case. So better you run the program by using test case 1 as well as by using test case 2, and then you need to evaluate. And I told you, if you are getting the right answer for test case 1 and 2, and while evaluating, if you are getting the result as equal to 0, then that means there is some problem with the program, and I asked the class rep to note down such type of programs. Okay, don't give me a lengthy list. You check with your friends also, and if nobody is getting the output, then you let me know. Okay, don't make the list too big. So this is the thing. So we are just checking whether the point is inside this particular x and y. So if it is, then it is inside the triangle. Okay, or else, so what we are doing, we are checking, we get the point and we just check and we make a temporary value. So if it is equal to 1, then that means the point is not in the triangle. Okay, am I getting any okay, I got the output. The point is in the triangle. So don't get panicked just by looking at the question. Read the question and understand the concept. Okay. So once you understand the concept, you can easily write the program also. Shall we move to the next program? You have any doubt with the previous program? Especially non-computer students. Yes, I'm not getting any reply.
Clear, ma'am.
Okay. Yeah, this Friday, let's have the special class. Last Friday itself, I thought of keeping, and nobody you asked me, and I was also busy. So I just left it out. So this Friday, if you need, you remind me so that we can have a special class. Okay?
Sure, ma'am.
What, Surya? You have any doubt? Any issue? Surya? Raised your hand. Okay. So next program which I tried is this one. Oh. So here in this program, so it is quite lengthy one in a paragraph, but actual thing is we need to get the input from the input device from the user. Okay, that's what the program. See, very simple. So from the user, we are going to get two numbers and we are going to perform the addition of two numbers and just we are going to display the sum of two numbers. Very simple program, but it looks okay. It is given in paragraphs. So what it is given, the purpose of this challenge is to familiarize you with reading input from standard input. Standard input is nothing but by using scanner. Okay. Standard input. STDIN. Okay. And writing output to standard output, that is on the monitor screen using our environment. Review the code provided in the editor below. Then complete a solve me first function so that it returns the sum of two integers. Read from standard input. Take some time to understand this code so you are prepared to write it yourself in future challenges. Select a language below and select the coding. Okay, so the input is the code read from the input from standard input. Okay, that is by using scanner you are going to get the input and we are going to find. So there are lines of input and each line contain a single integer, so we are going to get integer as input. Okay, so instead of giving it directly, they have given it in a lengthy sentence. And output, what is output? It is going to print the sum calculated and return the provided for the editor. That's it. Okay, it is not, it doesn't comes under the function, or else we need to write a separate function to perform the addition of two numbers. And here it comes under input output operation, not under method or function. So I have written it without using the function, or else you can also, according to the question, you are supposed to use the function only, isn't it? See, calculate the sum and returned by is provided for you. So you are supposed to write a function, solve me first. But in ELAB, for this question, without using sum itself, we are getting the output. So I'm presenting this program to you. So just we are getting two numbers and we are performing the addition and we are displaying it on the screen. That's all. Okay. So as I said, there are a lot of simple programs and you have a choice also. So you can finish, that is you can pick the program either from the first level, second level or third level. I want you to finish 100 programs, that's all. Okay. So you can choose from any level. That's fine. So you have 30 programs. Out of 30 programs, it's enough to do 10 programs. So you have so many choices. So you can choose a simple program or whichever, for whichever you get the output, you can take it into the count. And as I said, as soon as you get the output, you download it and save it in a Word format or you put it in a file. Okay, so that at the end of the day, you need not to rush in taking the output. Okay, so that time, as I said, so many people, all the students will try to take the copy of your program, their program, and that may lead to some server crash or server problem. Okay, so That time you may miss to take the thing, and I will be informing you when the e-lab will get closed. So before that you need to take the copy also. So all these are to avoid all these thing. Only I am asking you to take the copy of your program, then and there you finish the program. 100% result வந்துடுச்சு. While you evaluate, if you are getting 100% result, then you just take the output, you take your copy of your program and put it in a folder. Okay, you make it as a practice from now itself. Okay, so here in this program should contain 3 values, and we are going to check print the simple interest. We are going to calculate the simple interest. So if this is the input, so output should be in this format. So what we are doing, we are taking the p value, r value, and t value, and so we are going to get 3 values. Something I made some mistake while copying, I think so. We need to get 3 values. Okay, and we are finding PRT. M is equal to PRT, and we are displaying the simple interest. So we need to get 3 values. We are not using any formatting for displaying the output. I think it should be like this. Let's run the program and check. No, I'm getting the error. Integer, float, and this is integer. Okay. Okay. I think while copying, I made some mistake in test case. Okay, try this program and see whether you are getting the output successfully or not. Try this and let me know whether you are getting the output successfully or not. So I want you all to finish minimum 10 programs. Okay, minimum 10 programs.
No.
Okay, I keep it as 5 program, minimum 5 program by today. Is that possible? I myself has given you 4 programs. I think you can try a few more simple programs. Yes.
Ma'am, when
Somebody
can we
called.
ask our elab doubts, ma'am?
And you can text me in WhatsApp. When I get the time, I will have you texted me in WhatsApp before.
Not
Yes.
yet, ma'am. Okay, I'll text you.
Because I need to do the program, and I need to only then I can give you the answer. So when I get the time, you just text me. That's what I'm telling you. Send me the screenshot of the question as well as screenshot of the coding what you have done, and text me what is the problem. Okay, I will reply you through WhatsApp itself. I
Okay.
hope I reply to everyone. I think yesterday On Saturday, somebody sent me the screenshot, I think so. Who's that? Somebody.
Ma'am, it's me, Subiksha.
So big show. Okay, ma. Okay, ma. Today I will check and I'll let you know. Okay.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Boolean conversion. Boolean
Hello.
conversion, right?
Ma'am, in the e-lab, the scanner class doesn't seem to be working.
What in e-lab? It's
Just
too
a
noisy,
minute.
Ashish.
Hello.
Ashish, it is very noisy.
Yes.
Yeah,
Ma'am,
I think
in
you
my
are.
hello.
Yes.
Ma'am, in my e-lab sections, the complexity of program is very tough. Like to find the gravity of moon, to find the temperature of cold room, change into density. Ma'am, like
Hey, nothing I can do because this is something beyond my control. So, what set of
ma'am,
programs
I'm
you are
not
getting?
able
That
to.
is, yeah.
When in my
Ashish.
there are many questions in which formula is given but not in correct format. The question is written somewhere like if I can share the screen, I will so you can understand.
Yeah, share the screen.
Okay, ma'am.
Google has also raised his hand and they can't any help me.
Okay, Ashish, I can't do anything, but what we can do means if you need other shuffle of questions means again you can log in.
Yeah, ma'am.
That means again you can register so that there are possibility of getting other set of questions. But again, I cannot give you any assurance that you will be getting simple questions.
Ma'am, one question is to find the length of road and convert it to distance to meter. Like, ma'am, very tough, very tough for me, ma'am.
No, Ashish, just now I told you, no, it may sound to be very tough, but just you take the concept alone.
No, actually, then I was in.
Just now we saw an example program, no, adding two numbers. So just to add the two numbers, we got the question is it looks very complex, isn't it? Very lengthy. But when we look into the question, when we understand, it is very simple, just to get two numbers and perform the addition of two numbers. So questions will be in that format. So it will tune you to understand whatever problem comes, and it will enable you to solve any tough problem. What I can suggest means you can register. Just you leave your RA alone. You got your register number. Ashish, you got your register number?
Yes, ma'am. I had.
Okay. So if you have registered by using register number, again you can register as a new person, and just you leave RA alone and then give the remaining number and register. I will give the acceptance. Okay, you inform me, I will accept you. And again you can open. There may be a possibility of getting some other set of questions.
Okay, ma'am, will try to register my registration number and then attempt it.
Have you opened the programs in all the levels?
No, ma'am. Actually, first level is very tough.
That's what I am asking. There are 30 programs in each level. In each session. So in all the levels, you can open the program and you can try, you can see. So whichever is easy, you can do. Just leave the tough question and go for easy questions.
Oh, okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am. We'll try.
Okay.
Ma'am.
Yeah, okay, Ashish.
Thank you,
ma'am.
Yes.
Share your screen.
Ma'am, I can't able. Ma'am, you have enabled it. Disabled it. Sorry.
Okay. Wait 1 second. Now you try.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
This type of questions.
Just now we saw this, no?
No,
Just now we saw. Hey. This is what we saw, isn't it? Go to the this one. Go to the test case. Show me the test case. It's not visible. No, ma. You just okay.
It's not the question. I guess this one. Yes, ma'am. Test cases.
Yeah, you need to take two numbers and you need to perform the addition of two numbers.
Addition.
Just now I taught you this question.
No, ma'am. There is no addition in this. It's solve my first function and all this type of questions. And also
just now, where you attentive in the class? You attended my class now or not?
Yes, ma'am.
Oh, this is not the program. This is the other program. This is energy program.
Yes, ma'am.
Why you are taking energy program? What is the session input output only? Okay. So you got doubt in this program?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Previously you displayed some other program.
Ma'am, 2-3 questions I have doubt.
Okay. See, you do the simple program first, and then for which are all the program you find it difficult, you just keep it in pending, and later on you can try. And as I said, you share the programs. One people cannot do all the 100 programs. So if you have done the program, you share in the group, share with your classmates. So they will try that program. And if you have any doubt, so first you try to solve, try to check whether any other of your classmate has done this program or not.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, that will be very helpful.
Okay, ma'am.
Because you can just imagine. So I hope to get 126 students in MCA itself. So I am handling for both the sessions. So 128 to 26 students, if they ask me each and every program, it's very difficult for me also from my side. So that's what I'm asking you. You build a coordination among yourselves and see who are all have done the program. And if nobody has done the program and you are getting you are also unable to solve, then you bring it to me. I will try to solve, and then as I will share the output also. I will share you the right coding also with you.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, should I stop sharing the?
Yeah. You have anything to? Okay.
Ma'am, also, what does that mean to fail the test 4 and 5?
4 and 5 means there is some problem with the coding thing. As I said, there may be some problem with the space. In that cases, you may get something like that. See, here it has given as PNR. Okay, but I'm PRT. So if I give instead of R, I give rate. Okay. Then according to the program concept, it is right. But according to the ELAB concept, it should follow strictly what it is given. So according to that, it is wrong. So in that case, you will get 5, 6 and all test case may get failed. Understood? So it is specified as R only. So I need to use R only. Or if I instead of capital R, if I use small r, then that also treated as mistake. So once you read the question again, and then you perform accordingly. So you just need some practice, Lisma. It's not a very tough one, because I have seen so many of your seniors. Okay. In both UG and PG, initially they find it very difficult. At last, they will finish 100 programs just like that. More than 100 programs they will finish. So that's not a big thing as you think in the initial stage. Okay, you are just now you have started to use, no? So once you do some few programs, then you will understand what is the trick. And you will solve all the programs. You will finish all the programs just like that. Don't worry.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Anything else to discuss? Attendance, answer attendance. Yes.
Ma'am, I'm getting an error when I'm trying to import the scanner class in ELAB.
Have you changed any coding part, that is in class name or in public static void main, whether you tried to make any changes? See, in the default one, you
Yes.
don't make any changes. You just include the scanner class import, that statement alone.
Java.io shows in free. Okay.
Can you share the screen for which you are getting the error? Or else you can send me the message
I'm
in
on
WhatsApp also.
mobile right.
Okay, then no problem. You can share me in
Okay.
WhatsApp also. I will check and tell you. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Cancel your attendance now. 1,
Present, ma'am.
2,
Ma'am.
3, 3,
Present, ma'am.
4,
Ma'am, they're not present, ma'am.
5,
Present, ma'am.
6,
Present, ma'am.
7,
Present, ma'am.
8,
Yes, ma'am.
9,
Yes, ma'am.
10,
Present, ma'am.
11,
Present, ma'am.
10 எங்கப்பா கோகுல்நாத்துங்க 10.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. 12, 13,
Present, ma'am.
12 absent. Karthik Raja. 14,
14 present, ma'am.
15,
15 present, ma'am.
ஓகேப்பா மார்க் பண்ணிட்டேன். 16,